An estimated 35 million Americans suffer from eczema, leaving them feeling itchy, irritated, and uncomfortable. And though that number may be growing in both children and adults, visibly healthier skin is now in reach. People with eczema have a weak outer skin barrier, which creates holes in the layer that normally protects skin. This causes skin to lose moisture and allows irritants to get inside, causing dryness, irritation, and itchiness. But normal, healthy skin has a strong outer skin barrier that helps keep moisture in and irritants out. Neosporin Eczema Essentials Daily Moisturizing Cream contains colloidal oatmeal and a unique Relipid formula, helping relieve dryness, itch, and irritation due to eczema while helping strengthen and restore the skin's natural barrier function. The Relipid formula contains lipids that help lock moisture into your skin, emollients that help maintain the soft, smooth, and pliable appearance of skin, humectants that attract and retain your skin's moisture, and botanicals to help soothe dry skin. Neosporin Eczema Essentials Daily Moisturizing Cream is clinically shown to relieve itch on contact and restore visibly healthier skin in 3 days. That's good news for 35 million people. Now you can feel comfortable in your own skin. Also available, Neosporin Moisture Essentials Daily Body Wash and Neosporin Eczema Essentials Hydrocortisone Anti-Itch Cream. You can find all the Neosporin Essentials products in the first aid aisle.